Welcome to All Things Unrelated, Be Different. What do we have here? Let me tell you about Getaway, located in Wimberley, Texas. Here I've arrived to my destination. Let's check it out. It's a community of tiny rental cabins tucked away in the countryside. These are really the perfect getaway from the everyday hustle and bustle. Each cabin comes with its own unique space, comfortably away from neighbors. You get your own parking area, 2 outdoor chairs, and a fire pit for warmth and cooking. Picnic table and a leash for your furry friend. They provide you a fire kit, but you have to pay extra to use it, so I just brought my own firewood and forage for kindle. These tiny cabins are also connected into shore power, so no need to worry about electricity. Now let's take a look inside. There is a screen door as well as a storm door with an electric safety lock. You'll enter and see the fully stocked kitchen with all of your basic necessities. The trademark huge nature window and the queen-size bed. They hook you up with some s'mores and a lockbox for your cell phone so you can truly get away. It's very spacious for a tiny area with additional storage underneath. They provide a nice little radio for some background noise, a book they wrote on the history of Getaway, and there's even an AC heater located right above the shelving if you need it. The kitchen has a little fridge for your groceries and an electric stove if you don't want to grill out by the fire, which was perfect for some breakfast and some hot chocolate. And they have a hot-cold potable water sink. Forget an outhouse, this has a fully flushable toilet and a ventilation system. There's a walk-in shower with all of the cleaning soaps you need, a med kit, and verification that bears do indeed in the woods. Such an efficient layout in such a tiny space, and it provides everything that you need to enjoy your stay with plenty of lighting. There's an emergency phone directly to the staff, as well as a digital thermometer for both the AC, fan, and heat. This battery-operated lantern was perfect for night grilling, and I'll show you later in another video of what I cooked up. Here's some more information on these getaway places. Check out their website and always look for their discount banners at the top of their page. Here's a general idea of the layout since these are located across the country. The one I went to is located an hour from Austin and 1.5 hours from San Antonio, Texas. But you can probably find one that's close to you. I hope you enjoyed my video and are inspired to experience Getaway yourself. I absolutely loved my stay here and will definitely be back soon. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and please like and subscribe to support my channel. Bye now.